Some business owners in Seminole County are waiting for a federal judge to decide if they have to pay out settlement fees. This comes after they were hit with lawsuits accusing them of violating the Americans with Disabilities Act.
Yeah, the alleged violations are often minor quick fixes, but investigative reporter Carla Ray learned attorneys who file the suits still seek big settlements, which can trickle down to you, Carla.
And a new law was put into place last year to protect Florida businesses from these types of lawsuits, but only 2 businesses in the entire state have actually signed up for that protection.
Sanford's Colonial Room restaurant just upgraded signage, changed the hardware on its bathroom doors, altered the height of its sinks, towel dispensers, coat hooks, and mirrors, and added seating in the dining room after being hit with this lawsuit accusing the business of violating the Americans with Disabilities Act.
So far, we've spent $10,000.
It's just one of more than 3 dozen local businesses, including the Willow Tree just down the street and Lee's Famous Recipe Chicken less than a mile away, recently hit with nearly identical lawsuits, all filed by Daytona Beach attorney Joe Quick.
People like me represent clients who are disabled, who are being discriminated against, and that's what I do, and I'm very proud and happy with what I do. Because of what we do, we see progress.
Quick represents the same 4 clients across all of his suits. Some critics and even court records describe such plaintiffs as testers who seek out small businesses with what some would consider small violations to target with suits, and most times settlements in the form of thousands of dollars in attorney's fees. Even if the problems are fixed.
Then why also either look for a settlement or attorney's fees?
I'm an attorney. I make a living by representing people. I'm representing the disabled who want it to be made compliant.
It's the worst kind of case to have as a defense lawyer because you have to start by telling your client that there's a good likelihood that you have a violation. Because you have any violation whatsoever, you're going to have to pay some money out in attorney's fees.
State Representative Tom Leek has defended such cases as an attorney. Last year, he introduced legislation that allows business owners to hire ADA experts and register for a grace period to fix any problems that are identified. But so far, only 2 businesses in the entire state have actually gone through the process, despite thousands of suits.
Once you hire that expert and you get your building compliant, then you don't need to worry about these lawsuits going forward.
Without that protection, the Colonial Room was called on its violations the hard way.
They put their heart and soul into a business, and for him to come around doing this is just not right.
But Quick told me even after businesses settle with him, they sometimes don't make the repairs, so he and other lawyers can actually sue them again and start the entire process over. Now, if you want to take steps to protect your business, we put a link to the details about that law on our website. Just go to WFTV.com, choose the 9 Investigates tab, and click on this story.